Hello friends, welcome to Physics Universe. Now today our topic is Standard 12 Chapter 1 1.4 Charging by Induction. Okay, earlier we discussed about the charging of any conductor. Clear? By rubbing any substance gets charged. Now here we know charging by induction by one experiment. First of all, we have to take two metal sphere. Let us say that one sphere capital A and another sphere name in it as capital B. Okay, here two spheres are neutral because they don't have any excess charges. Okay, one rod which have positive charge we bring nearer to capital A sphere. When we bring that positive charge rod to that capital A sphere negative charge are accumulated towards this left surface, and sphere B have positive charge accumulated towards the right of its surface. Clear? So why this happen? Because earlier, suppose we talk about capital A sphere, so capital A sphere is neutral. Why? Because capital A sphere have same amount of charges, like is for example 10 positive charge, so it have also 10 negative charge, that's why it is neutral. Similar, why B is neutral? It have same amount of charges. If 15 positive charge, then 15 negative charges also there. Clear? Now in figure C, we kept some distance between the sphere. Similarly, A left surface is negatively charged accumulated there, and B surface have positive charge accumulated there. Nothing anything new happens there. Clear? Now rod which have positive charge, we remove it. Then what happens? Capital A sphere's negative charge attracted towards the positive charge of sphere B. So now negative charge accumulated of surface of A sphere right hand side, and left hand side of the surface of B positive charge accumulated there. Okay, clear? Now these two sphere, if we kept them far distances, then what happens? These are metal spheres, then capital have excessive negative charge, so this excessive negative charge is spread all over the surface. Similarly, B have positive charge, this positive charge spread all over the surface. So by this all experiments we also comes to know that positive charge and negative charge are always there same amount of, because neutral. What means neutral? That means the same amount of positive as well as same amount of negative. And another conclusion is there that this process is equally division of charges are there, positive as well as negative. Clear?